Good morning, everyone. My name is Snehvir Singh, a student of IIBM Patna, BBA first semester, and I'm here to present assignment given to me as a part of marketing management. And the topic of that presentation is launching a product my way. So here is my product. My product's name is Squeezy Juice. And so introduction to my product. Squeezy Juice brings nature's purest essence in every bottle with no added sugar, no preservatives, and no compromises with the consumer's health. Both from passion and genuine wellness with maximum nutrients and authentic flavors which a person cherish. So here is my all the products which offers orange juice, apple juice, grape juice, vegetable juice, and many other which can be found on our menu. Brand positioning: our mission is to deliver pure, health-focused fruit juice with no added sugars and preservatives. Our vision is to become a health-leading conscious brand in India and all over the world in future. Our unique selling proposition is 100% natural ingredients, cold press technology which isn't accepted by most of the brands, and transparent labeling. Our target market is kids, health conscious consumers, fitness enthusiasts, and families. Here are the products with whom we are competing at the moment. First is Real Juice, Tropicana India, Paper Boat, MB Naturals, and then Minute Maid India. Market gap for Squeezy Juice. We have accepted cold press technology whose adoption is limited. Transparent ingredients labeling not widespread, as most of the brands tend to offer things but they don't offer in their products. And we also have no added sugar and preservatives, and this statement is underutilized by other brands. A market philosophy comparison of different products and different brands. Production concept philosophy is accepted by Minute Maid, who focuses on high volume, low cost, and mass production. Consumer approach is price sensitive segments. Product concept philosophy is accepted by Tropicana and Del Monte. Superior taste product, quality improvements, and consumer approach is quality conscious consumers. Marketing concept philosophy. Brands: Simply Orange and Real Juice. Focus: understanding consumer needs and targeted solutions. Consumer approach is health conscious and lifestyle driven. Societal marketing philosophy is accepted by our brand, which is Squeezy and Evolution Fresh, who focuses on environmental sustainability and ethical approach. Consumer approach is eco-conscious, socially responsible consumers. These are the ingredients of different products. As we can see, most of the brands have sugars in them, but you will only find Squeezy Juice who haven't added any sugar and offers 100% natural fruit juice with sugar. And as we can see, most of the brands have 13 grams per 100 ml, whereas only Minute Maid has 11.5 gram per 100 ml, whereas we have added zero added sugar and only natural fruit juice. And we can also see there is no preservatives in our brand. Competitive advantage for Squeezy. So we offer 100% natural, no added sugar, preservatives, cold press technology, transparent labeling, health first approach, and local sourcing, which means fresh seasonal fruit selection as per the seasons. Targeted consumer segments. Our primary consumers are health conscious families with children, secondary fitness enthusiasts and gym goers, and tertiary urban professionals who are 25 to 35 years old. A marketing philosophy adoption. We have adopted societal marketing concept, balancing consumer needs, company profits, and long-term societal welfare through our products. We have sustainable packaging solutions, supporting local fruit farmers, promoting healthy lifestyle choices, and environmental responsibilities. Our core range of products are Orange Squeeze with high vitamin C, which boosts immunity, Apple Pure, natural fiber, no oxidation, and mixed fruit juice, balanced nutrition profile. Our premium range is Green Detox, Kale Spinach, Cucumber Blend, Antioxidant Boost, which has pomegranate, berry combination, and Tropical Paradise, which includes mango, pineapple, and passion fruit. Our functional range is Energy Blast, natural sugars for pre-workout, for gym goers, Recovery Plus, post-workout, Electrolyte Balance, as used by many athletes, and Immunity Shield, which provides vitamin C and zinc enriched. Our distribution channels are premium retail, organic stores, health food chains, modern trade is supermarkets, hypermarkets, online platform, e-commerce, direct to consumer, and fitness centers like gym, Goa, studios, and we have also started offering our products to schools as well. Marketing community strategy, digital dominance, content, marketing, social media, engagement. Health education is nutritional workshop with fitness partnership. Influencer collaborations, fitness enthusiasts, and nutrition. Our pricing strategy is premium strategy, like 50 to 20% above mass market brand. Value communication, cost per nutrient advantage, like we give more nutrients per cost that other brands offer to give you. A bundle offer is that multiple packs discount for regular customers, as you can also take advantage of that. A technology adoption is cold press extraction. It extracts maximum nutrients as compared to traditional methods. Smart packaging, like we have QR codes, traceable and nutritional information, and we have also added that if a person scans the product, then they can get the language of label in their convenience and not only in English. Seasonal variants, limited editions based on fruit availability, and if mango is not available in winters, then you might not find our product. So sustainability initiatives, eco-friendly packaging, biodegradable bottles, recyclable materials. Farmer partnership, direct sourcing, fair trade practices, and no middlemen involved. Waste reduction, bulk utilization for secondary products. Our health certifications are FSSAI organic certification, ISO 22000 food safety standards, third-party nutritional verifications, and market entry timeline. Our first year, we had launched regional launch in metro cities like Delhi, Mumbai, and Bangalore. Year 2, pan-India expansion, online platform scaling. And year 3, product line extension, international exploration as well. Investment requirements, manufacturing setup, cold press technology and quality systems, marketing and branding, digital campaigns, retail partnership, and working capital, inventory, distribution network and setup. Success metrics, market share target 2% of premium juice segment by third year, and brand recognition, top of mind awareness in health segment, and then customer retention about 65% repeat purchase rate, and we focus to increase it in future as well. Success metrics, authentic are key success factors: authentic health positioning, genuine communication to consumer wellness, superior product quality, investment in cold press technology as it is something new for the consumers, transparent communication, honest labeling and ingredient, and as we don't lie in our and offer whatever we say, and strategic partnership, fitness centers, health practitioner, and also schools and colleges, continuous innovation, seasonal variants and functional benefits. Conclusion to our product, Squeezy Juice differentiates through genuine health commitment, transparent labeling, premium quality positioning in market dominated by mass production brands. As we have adopted societal marketing philosophy, the brand can build sustainable competitive advantage while contributing to consumers and environmental responsibility. As we, this is a statement that Squeezy Juice, pure health, pure taste, and pure promise, which doesn't compromise with the product and their consumers' health. Thank you everyone for this to watching my presentation, and I want to thank my faculty who provided this opportunity to present this, and I really want to thank Dr. Jyotsna Rai, who really helped me through this